deal, everybody? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be going up to my boy TJ's shop. I got a little work done on my drivetrain. So basically, I got a diff brace, a new diff rated for like 1,000 horsepower, new axles that's rated for like 1,400 horsepower. I got a oil catch can, because you need that if you got a Hellcat. And one more thing I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, he cut off my cat, so. God damn! Bro, no way. I'm gonna be catless. I don't want to do the mid-muffler delete because it makes you slower. But I might do it later on, you know, just for y'all, because I know y'all like seeing them type of videos. But you can see like what it sounds like without the cats on. So basically I'm taking the cats off because they restrict airflow, you know, through the exhaust and stuff like that. So yeah, if this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep rocking me. I'ma rock with y'all, and I'll see y'all when I get up there. Alright y'all, so we just pulled up to the shop, and as you guys can see, the car is still up, so I guess he's not done. But we're gonna go check it out and see what's going on. See, I got the black tips on the back 5 inches. I'm gonna probably change out the diffuser soon, but I don't know, I think these look harder than the chrome ones. What y'all think? Leave a comment below.
So, we're gonna leave the mids in.
Okay.
But yeah, everything fit real good.
Oh yeah, this got the extra.
Yep, front brace, rear brace.
Yeah,
Loctiting on all the bolts, torqued it all down.
That's hard.
And then the bolts that they sent for the front, where the drive shaft goes up, those bolts and these little tabs were not right. The tabs were too close together. The bolts were a little short, so I reused these that were on there before.
Okay, so that's fine.
They'll be good to go.
The cat's off and everything?
Yep. That side's already pretty much in. Just got to finish welding that side.
Okay.
And then making this one.
Let's see. Alright, so you about done. Just gotta finish that side. Weld this. That'd be so hard, dog. Best muffler shop in Michigan right here. Come mess with them. It's a nice little Mustang though. I don't know who shit this is, but this bitch hard too.
I almost feel like just doing cat delete and leaving the mids almost sounds a little less than like mid muffler delete. Like mid muffler almost sounds louder, but
yeah,
you know, you got that performance for doing it.
Right. Trying to go fast, not be loud. They keep clowning me for my scat.
Shit, you ready now? Put those axles in that drive shaft.
Yeah.
You gonna do some like blower work, board it or anything, or pulleys?
I'm talking to somebody right now about that, so we'll see.
It's in the works.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I ain't gonna tell nobody else.
I know you're gonna keep it on the DL. So light off.
Okay.
Otherwise you're gonna have to get tuned. I feel like you should get it tuned anyways.
Yeah.
But for now, you know, hopefully it keeps the light off for cat going.
Yeah. This diff brace is hard. y'all. So he just has to plug in my O2 sensors and we can fire it up and start it for the first time. So like I said, it's just a cat delete, so don't be expecting it to be stupid loud, you feel me? But I think it should sound pretty good. But yeah, that's not hard. All right, so what I did to the car is I have a one-piece drive shaft, a two-piece diff brakes. They're both made by DSS. Go check them out. They make good products, all that good stuff. But yeah, those two things, and then a cat delete. Of course, we got the axles too. So they're rated for like 1400 horsepower or whatnot. Put it in sport. God damn. Bro, no way. That shit sound crazy. Bro, that shit sound crazy.
Day 2.
What's the deal, y'all? Another day, another dollar. It's your boy J.koolii. So this is just a continuation video. So it's the next day. As you can see, I gotta go drop off these stainless works catalyst mid pipes to somebody. So I tried to put them on yesterday, but I guess they don't fit the new 2021s because it's a new flange or something like that. But we are catalyst now. I'm gonna get some POVs of how it sound and stuff like that. I'm in eco right now, so y'all ain't really hear the real, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a couple pulls for y'all, a little POV and stuff like that. I'm driving right now to go drop this off and sell it since I can't use it. I also have a wicker bill and and a diffuser for wide body. So if you know me personally, you watching this video, just DM me on Instagram at j.koolii, jkoolii, and we can work out a price and I'll get it to you, because I'm probably not gonna get it. I don't know, I just kind of like the diffuser that's already on here better. I think the other diffuser is kind of tacky a little bit, especially like knowing that it's not functional. It's just like for looks. There's really no point. So I'm gonna try to sell that and then use that money for, you know, go fast parts and stuff like that. But yeah, if this is your first time watching, like I said, I probably said it earlier, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below what type of videos y'all want to see with the red eye, and let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, I'll let y'all get a couple pulls. If I can get some space. Give me a second to get some space, y'all. I'm gonna do a 60 roll. Alright, y'all. Coming up on a red light, so I got time to stop. I got a long drive ahead of me, about 33 minutes. So let's go ahead and set the SRT modes, drive modes, and we're gonna put it in custom. No, we're gonna put it in auto, but we're gonna take eco off. I'm rolling up on 500 miles, guys, so I'm at 473. After this little trip, big 797. After this little trip, we should be good to go and start doing like pulls and 0 to 60 runs and everything. So I'm gonna let y'all hear how this sounds right fast. doesn't sound like a mid-muffler delete to me. Like, I really can't tell the difference. A mid-muffler delete might be like a little bit louder, but I think this is perfect, especially for like startups and stuff. It's not that really, it's not really that loud. Oof. I don't know, I think this is kind of like the perfect setup. You can hear some crackles and pops if I shut up. But the only thing about going catalyst on these red-eyes, even though you trick the O2 sensors or whatever, all your lights come on. Even a brake light will come on. So that's like a downfall, I could say. But with the tune, like even a 93 tune, this will go away for sure. But alright, y'all, that is the end of the video. Keep rocking with me. I'm gonna rock with y'all. I'm out this thing. Peace.